What you working on?
This is a buddy of mine's truck. We're gonna put a aftermarket cold air intake on it and a programmer.
Cool.
You want in on it or no?
No, you get to work. Call me when it's done.
Hey Charles,
what's up, brother?
Need some parts.
Absolutely. What do we got here?
We got a cold air intake and then a tuner.
A little programmer action?
Yeah.
Right on. Let's get this thing open. You wanna help out?
Yeah, let's pop it.
Right on. In order to assemble this performance upgrade, we'll be using a K&N cold air intake kit and installing a Bully Dog Triple Dog GT. Remove the factory airbox from the fender and the throttle body. You can use a socket or a flathead screwdriver to remove the clamps. Make sure to disconnect any hoses or plugs before removing. You could cause damage to the wiring. Looking at the old airbox, you can see how much airflow is actually restricted. This is replacing this. New filter, replacing that. Can you tell the difference? How restricted that would be compared to this? Make sure to read and follow the included installation instructions accordingly. Take the hardware from the kit and start with mounting the new heat shield to the intake adapter. Next, you will take the mounting brackets and attach them to the heat shield. Mount the new heat shield to the fender. Like this. Boom, sucker. Look at that. Lines up perfect. Right here, this hole.
Nice fit.
And then this hole right here. All right, so we got that part done. Make sure all the hardware on the heat shield is fully tightened to factory specs. Next, you'll want to attach your mass air sensor. Attach the silicone hose to the throttle body with the supplied clamp. Don't forget to add the extra hose clamp for the intake tubing. When you attach the intake tubing, make sure you tighten down the hose clamp to factory specs. Next, you're going to take your air filter, slide it on the intake tube, and tighten down the hose clamp. After the air filter is installed, bolt on the top of the heat shield and engine cover to complete the installation. With your new K&N air filter comes the advantages of having more fuel economy, more power, and more torque. Cool. Thanks, brother.
Right.
Appreciate your help, man.
No problem, have fun.
Lastly, we will install the Bully Dog tuner. You'll want to plug your tuner into your OBD2 port, which is normally located under the dash. Your Bully Dog tuner allows you to increase both power and fuel economy, as well as adjust your computer to compensate for new tire size and gear ratio.
Where are you going?
I gotta go test drive it. Everything's done.
It's all done?
Yeah.
That's a gas monkey upgrade. Boom, get you some. Where am I going? You want to race?
Well, I've got to get my buddy's truck back to him, so tune in next time.